Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Nest camera model and that the mount kit matches it. This avoids wrong screws or adapters. Once ready, pick the wall spot at about 8 to 10 feet for optimal perspective and measure to align with the desired 110 degrees field of view. Now mark the screw locations using the mount template and use a level to ensure the camera won't tilt. Drill pilot holes, insert anchors if mounting to drywall, then loosely install mounting screws so the plate can still shift when you attach the camera. Once the plate is loose on the wall, snap the Nest camera into the bracket and adjust tilt and rotation so the lens centers the main area. Tighten screws only after confirming alignment because small shifts matter for coverage. Next, route the power cable along your chosen path. Use cable clips or a small conduit to secure the wire and prevent sag. If the cable enters indoors, seal around the grommet with silicone to keep moisture out. Make sure Wi-Fi signal strength is strong at the camera location before finalizing. Power the camera and follow the Google Home setup flow. Name the device and let it complete any firmware updates. Once online, use the live view to fine-tune the angle for motion zones and subject framing. Make micro adjustments physically, then tighten the mount screws to lock position. If the device shows offline or poor video, reboot it first, verify the power source and cable, and if needed, temporarily move it closer to the router to confirm Wi-Fi coverage before repositioning or adding a mesh node.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.